Hi, this is Sue DeMeritt. We're going to be creating a letter using LaTeX. Creating a letter in LaTeX is very straightforward. Your document class is going to be letter. 12 point is the size of your font. And you have your signature who's sending the letter. And then you have the return address. Then you begin your document, and you begin letter, and the first thing you're going to do is put in who the letter is to. Then you're going to pick your opening, put in your text, and you put in your closing, end letter, and document, and that's about it. Let's create some changes and just see what it does. So okay, let's say this is Bruce Springsteen. And it changes up here. Okay. Notice the date is today's date, the day I'm recording. If you want a different date, you put it specifically in date. You put July 2020. And recompile it. And that'll be the date it puts in there. So as you can see, it puts in who it's to, the text. You can put math in as well. And then you sign it, yours truly, and it's from Joe Fox. That's about it. This is a very quick lesson. Letter is a very handy template to be able to use. The longer the letter is itself, it will put the page number on each page. Thank you.